Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're going to make something absolutely delicious and incredibly simple. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly quick and easy recipes. We have a lot of fun cooking together and I wouldn't want you to miss any of it. Today I've got a treat for you. Perfect roasted potatoes in just 3 minutes. Well, the prep is 3 minutes. The roasting takes a bit longer, but trust me, it's worth the wait. First up, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a few simple things that you probably already have in your kitchen. 2 pounds of baby potatoes, halved. These little guys are perfect because they cook quickly and have a wonderful texture. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. This will help our potatoes get that beautiful golden color and crispy texture. 1 teaspoon of salt, just enough to bring out the natural flavors of the potatoes. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, freshly ground if you can, it makes a big difference. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. This adds a nice depth of flavor without overpowering the dish. 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary. It gives a lovely aromatic touch. 1 teaspoon of paprika. This adds a bit of color and a subtle smoky flavor. All right, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature is key to getting that perfect roast. While that's heating up, grab your baby potatoes and cut them in half. This helps them cook evenly and faster. Place them in a large mixing bowl. Make sure it's big enough to toss everything together without making a mess. Next, drizzle 3 tablespoons of olive oil over the potatoes. This is going to help them get that wonderful crispy texture. Don't be shy with the olive oil. It's what makes these potatoes so delicious. Sprinkle on the salt, black pepper, garlic powder, dried rosemary, and paprika. These spices will give our potatoes a fantastic flavor. Give it all a good toss so every potato is well coated. You want each piece to be covered in that delicious seasoning. Now, spread the potatoes out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This makes for easy cleanup and prevents sticking. Make sure they're in a single layer so they roast evenly. Crowding the pan will steam the potatoes instead of roasting them. Pop them into your preheated oven and roast for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy. The high heat will give them that perfect texture. Give them a flip halfway through to get that even roast on all sides. This ensures they're crispy all around. And there you have it, folks. Perfectly roasted potatoes that are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Perfectly roasted potatoes that are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. They're so good you might want to make a double batch. Perfect as a side dish or even a snack. They go great with just about anything, or you can enjoy them on their own. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, happy cooking. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Enjoy your perfectly roasted potatoes.